We know that Jeep Rubicon has a lot of features on it, and usually they have 4 doors. Well, here at Payne Pre Owned McColl, we've got a pre-owned 2022 Jeep Wrangler 2-door Rubicon. Oh yeah, maroon Rubicon badging, 2-liter under the hood. Plenty of power and economy. Now we got a factory tuned suspension, factory 17-inch wheels. We've got BFG off-road tires. We've got this manual side steps right here, leather throughout. Check it out. The Jeep toolkit is still in the plastic. In our console, traditional e-brake here. Also, our shifter here, 4-wheel drive shift. Disconnect that front and rear axle right here. Auxiliary switches, our connectivity, window controls, 12-volt power. Also, all of our AC controls and Uconnect controls with navigation. Red anodized dash, which means Rubicon, leather-wrapped steering wheel, traditional gauge cluster. And guess what? We do have the black top ready to be coming off so we can go topless. Also, full-size spare with matching wheel. Now check this out. There is our all-weather subwoofer on our premium stereo. Guess what? We can also put the seat down. Look at that, just like that. More cargo room or even take it out. So come on home to Payne Pre Owned McColl for this pre-owned 2022 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 2-door with just under 24,000 miles. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo Que Tu Quieres, regardless.